Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. This here is part 2 of Crafty Friday. Okay, this is part 2. So in order for you to do this here DIY, how to make video, you're going to need some memory wire. Okay, you're going to need some memory wire. You're also going to need some seed beads, and these wood seed beads I got from Walmart. Okay, so you're going to need some seed beads. I am also going to be using my clay beads that I just showed you all how to make. So we're going to be using some clay beads. We're going to be using quite a few of these clay beads. And I'm also going to be using some of the ones that I did the other day, that I made myself the other day. I'm just going to only be using a few of those. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 of these. I don't know if I'm going to need 11, but we'll see. I have 4 more left. And we're going to be using these wood beads right here. Okay, we're going to be using a total of, and I'm thinking that these are either 14 millimeter, because I tore the thing off the package, y'all. So we're going to be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of these. And I'm also going to be using some of these wood beads right here. And these are pretty much almost the same size. I think these are 12 millimeters, but they're almost the same size. And you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of these. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get right on into this here video. You're going to need your round nose pliers and your wire cutters. All right. I'm going to slide these over. Now I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to start adding these on to my memory wire. And these beads I also got from Walmart as well. Okay, so we're going to go get right into this. Now my memory wire, I have already cut it. I've already made my loop down the bottom. Okay, you just take your round nose pliers, you make your loop down the bottom, you squeeze it in as close as you can get. Okay, now I have cut about maybe 2 spirals. Okay, yeah, some left over on the ends. And I'm going to go ahead and start adding on my beads. So I'm going to use one of my small ones first. And then I'm going to do a brown one. Then I'm going to do another small little brown seed bead. Then I'm going to add on a black one, and then a brown one. And then I'm going to go ahead and use one of my clay beads. Okay, add that on. Then I'm going to use one of these little small seed beads. So every time I put on a big bead, I'll add a seed bead in the middle of it. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the black. I could go down here and use the brown, but I'm going to go back to the black. Okay, so I'm going to add on the black, another black one. I'm going to add on another seed bead. Okay, then I'm going to go to the brown. So put the brown one on. I'm going to add another seed bead. Then I'm going to add on another clay bead. Then a brown small seed bead. And then I'm going to go back. Now you could do this one or two ways. You could go with the brown, and you could put the brown here, or you could go with the black. So I'm going to go with the black. So I'm going to put the black over here. Okay, so you're going to have brown, black, brown, black, black, brown. Okay, now I'm going to go with a black one. And then I'm going to add a seed bead. And I'm going to add a brown one. Okay, then I'm going to add a seed bead. I'm going to add another clay bead. So in between the two wood beads, you are going to have a clay bead. Okay, I hope you all can see where I'm going at with this. Now I'm going to add a clay one. All right, so I add on my clay one. Then I'm going to add on a wood one. And then I'm going to go back and add on the black one. And then another wood one. And then I'm going to go to the brown one. Okay, then I'm going to go to another seed bead. And I'm going to start pushing these around towards the end. And as you can see, our bracelet is starting to come together. So I'm going to just continue to do this, and then I'm going to come back and show you the end results and how to finish it, okay? Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go ahead and add on the final last couple of beads. Okay. The black one. And then I'm going to add on these two little small brown ones right here, these seed ones, wood ones. Put on the first one and put on the second one. And you want to make sure that you go around and you squeeze everything because you want everything to be nice and tight. So you want to go around and make sure that all your beads and everything is close together and it's nice and tight. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm pulling this out, is I'm going to snip off a little bit of this, just like that. I'm going to continue to pull it because I want it to be nice and tight. And then I'm going to make a loop. So I'm going to bring it over and make my loop, just like that. See? And then I'm going to come up and try to squeeze this in. I need my pliers for this, y'all. But I got it. Okay. And now you have it. And you have made yourself a gorgeous bracelet. Now, what you can do with this, now, I didn't use any gloss for these beads. I like this just the way it is, okay? Now, you can add on a tassel. You can put some more charms on the ends of this if you want. It's completely up to you, okay? And we're going to try this on and see how this fits. And that is gorgeous. And this bracelet will go with anything in your wardrobe. Did I say wardrobe? Wardrobe. All right, y'all. Y'all know what I mean, okay? You got yourself a really cute, stylish bracelet using clay and wood beads. And so, with that being said, I want to say thank you all for watching. Once again, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And stay tuned for part 3. I'm going to show you all how to make a pair of matching earrings to go along with this here bracelet. All right? So, thank y'all so much for watching. My beloved kings and queens, have a wonderful day. And until the next video, peace and blessings. See ya.